welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show all the fidgets I got from Shein. First up, we'll start off with the turtle poppers right here. These two guys are turtle poppers. This one doesn't work, so we'll try on my one. So you have to squeeze their shell and their heads will pop out. This one doesn't really work, so we'll put it back. Next, we'll start off with the glow-in-the-dark wacky charm. It's really good, nice snapping, and at the dark, when you put it close to your eyes, it will really glow. The blue part will glow, but not the pink one. The pink one might turn red. It's really nice sound and really good. And you can make anything you want on this, like such as spirals, hearts, circles, or squares. And let's move on to the fidget spinners. So guys, let's start off with the fidget spinners. This one is a dimple spinner, and this one is a golden fidget spinner. Let's try the golden one. Now the dimple one. So you have this, it's camouflage and it's really good. And let's pop it. The loud side is not really that loud. It's just a tiny bit loud, but it's really good. Now let's move on to the puzzle ball. This is same as Rubik's Cube, but it's different. It's called puzzle ball, and you mix it up. I'm only doing a small mix. So when you see it that mixed up, you have to match it. Match it to its color ring. It's really good, it's really brain sharpening, and it's really nice. Let's move on to the infinity cubes. So these are like infinity cubes. You can like move them. They come in different colors like black and white, blue and white, and so much other colors. And also galaxy. We have 2 of them. Let's move on to the mochis. So these are cute and adorable mochis. There are such as chicken, seal, and dinosaur, stegosaurus, hedgehog. This is a textured one because it's a hedgehog, and a bear. They're really nice, stress relief, and they're really cute. And then let's move on to the Poppets now. So the first one is the unicorn Poppet. It's really nice. It's purple and it's rare. So this is the quiet side. Really nice. A tiny bit hard to pop. And now let's hear the loud side. Really good one. Nice Poppet. I love the shape of it and it's really cool. Moving on to the spaceship letter Poppet. It's really nice because my sister can learn some letters on this, and it's green and it's really nice. It's my favorite color, and it's like a UFO shaped. And yeah, let's hear the pop. Let's go to the loud side. Next is the butterfly poppet. It's really awesome. You guys gotta hear this. So it has numbers on it, plus, minus, and duplication and other stuff. This butterfly poppet, it could change in the sun. Not glow in the dark, glow in the sun. At the end of this video, I will record me checking its color change. So it's here. It's all the way up to 30. Let's pop the quiet side. Now loud side. Wow, this is really nice. I like it. Now, moving on to the mini poppets. So these are small and adorable mini tie-dye poppets, and it's really nice. There's pink, red, and 2 blue ones. So we'll pop the blue ones at the same time. Now to the pink and red one. This is the quiet side and loud side. Nice. Let's put them back. And let's move on to the last two, the mini flippy octopuses. They are really cute. They come in so many different colors, such as pink, orange, green, blue, purple, and other colors. They're really nice. Let's hear the pop. So they have 2 sides, so we'll see. And it's tie-dye. Let's check the blue one out. Now guys, we're going to check the butterfly changed its color. Let's go. Now I'm inside my house, but we're going out right now. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Look. When I stepped outside, it was a tiny bit white, tiny bit pink, and tiny bit blue. But look at it, guys. It's so good. Look at the colors. There's purple, blue, and pink. Really nice colors. And it's not, well, see, the blue faded away. See, guys? See? And then the pink is still there, but the purple might fade away. See, it's fading. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like it, give a big thumbs up and smash that bell and give a big subscribe. Bye. Comment down below what is your favorite fidget.